Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start right in safe mode. Don't waste time. Hold the power button until the second beep, plug the controller via USB, and press the PS button to access options. Once in, choose option 5, Rebuild Database. This is the single most effective step to restore game icons and library entries because it reindexes files without deleting data. While it runs, let the console finish. Interruptions can prolong recovery. Make sure the Ps4 stays powered, and do not eject storage devices mid-process. Once done rebuilding, sign back into your PSN account. This links licenses to restored file metadata and makes owned games visible. Next, go to Settings, Account Management, and select Restore Licenses. This reconciles purchase records with the console and often returns access to digital content. Then check the library's Purchase section to confirm titles reappear. If they show but lack data, queue downloads. If your games were on external storage, ensure it's connected and recognized before attempting downloads or play. Now finalize recovery by re-downloading or reinstalling any missing titles. Start with small games to verify system stability and bandwidth. For disk-based games, insert the disk to restore ownership and then install updates. Sometimes save data and game files separate, so verify trophy sync and saves. If problems persist, try Safe Mode Option 2 to change resolution or Option 6 to clear system cache. As a last resort backup saves and use, initialize Ps4 to reset the system.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.